national educator.
Hello learner, welcome to our primary English revision. This revision exercise that we are going to deal with today is mainly on clause tests. It is commonly referred to as the broken passage. Before we dwell into this type of revision, first of all, we need to understand what a clause test is. A clause test is a test which the learner is asked to supply words, and you'll find out that these words have been omitted in a passage, and it is mainly to test their ability to comprehend the text. So it is a test which the learner is asked to supply some words that have been omitted in a passage. This is basically what we call the broken passage. So we have a complete passage and some words have been omitted. So it is upon you to know which is the best word to fit in those blank spaces. You'll find out that different clause tests comes from different passages. So it is upon you that to read and read widely. You never know where this clause test could be pulled from. And what do we mainly test in a clause test? In these broken passages, we normally look at different parts of speech. We have the nouns, we have the verbs, we have the conjunctions, the interjections. We also look at the vocabulary that has been used. So it is very, very important that whenever we have a clause test, we need to read and read it to understand. Once we understand the flow of the clause test, then it becomes easy to fit in those blank spaces. The main instruction, the key instruction in every clause test is that we need to read the passage, and since it contains these blank spaces, for each blank spaces you must pick the correct, which is the best alternative from the choices given. It is very, very important that we must read the instructions given. So the key instruction in a clause test or in a broken passage is that you read the passage. You must read with those blank spaces that are in there. Then after you read through, now understand. After understanding the flow, you'll find out that even some words you are able to put in words that can make that particular passage to flow, even before you look at the choices given. Then later, you look at the particular choices that you have been given and you pick the correct one. Where you have some answers that are quite similar, you must be able to pick the best choice from those that are given. I'll take you directly to one clause test here. And I will want us first of all to read together, and then we'll pick different sections from the passage so that we can look at the different choices that have been supplied and we see which one best fits in that particular blank space. Let us look at this clause test.